In this video, I am about to show you how to quickly create professional emails with Microsoft Copilot AI. First, go to the web browser and open the Copilot Microsoft website. Now click on the Message Copilot box provided here. Next, type Create Professional Emails in the message box and send. After that, it'll give you the answer to your message. The answer will be in words such as, "So the trick to a killer email. Clear and concise. Start with a courteous greeting. Be specific about your purpose in the first paragraph. Support your points with the details in the body. And end with a polite closing." Then you'll specify the type of professional email that you wanted to create. To do so, you have to type, "Write a professional email for the CEO of Apple" in the message box. Here, hit the send icon and it'll start the working process on your message. Now it'll show you the application for the CEO of Apple on your screen. In this way, you'll quickly create professional emails with Microsoft Copilot AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.